Oh, goodness me. Came out of nowhere. Terrific. Flatter strike. Middle section of that court, and then a spread, equal spread the other side. Oh, that just shot away as well. Brilliant. That's not coming back. Put this set to bed. Nothing spectacular required, really, from Alcaraz. 2 breaks of serve against an opponent who was really leaking errors. A thoroughly professional opening set, and Alcaraz has 1 foot in a 3rd final here in Barcelona. Nothing spectacular, but just rock solid. Beautiful. It's a masterclass. And it's putting salt into the wounds, the gaping wounds for Alcaraz. It's a 3rd straight final in Barcelona for Carlos Alcaraz. A mature, composed performance. He played the conditions as well as the opponent brilliantly.